Welcome to another SharePoint Quick Start. In this Quick Start, we'll look at building geophoto mapping websites. So there are three important things you're going to learn in this course. First, you're going to learn about geotagged photos and how to create them. Second, you're going to learn how to map those geophotos using Google Maps. Third, you're going to learn to create SharePoint websites that make use of these geophotos and their associated maps to build useful business websites. So what is a geophoto? A geophoto is a photograph that stores geographical location information. So that's the geo part. And these photos are typically called geotagged photographs. So I'm going to call these geotagged photographs GeoPhoto for short. Here you see an innocent looking image. But behind this image is a lot of information that the camera has captured as part of the picture. Let me show you what that looks like. There you are. You see the photograph stored a lot of information within it. You can see that the photograph was taken using an Apple iPhone 4S, the date that the photograph was taken, and most importantly, you can look at the location where the photograph was taken. And the location here is shown using latitude and longitude values that are represented here. The location of these lat-long coordinates are within this map right here. The camera automatically knew where this photo was taken, and it was able to grab the latitude and longitude information for that geographical location. Not only that, it also can store the altitude of the location. Now all of this information is stored in a format called EXIF. This is the exchangeable image file format. And the exchangeable image file format tags such as location, date, camera, lens can be processed by mapping applications to pinpoint where the photograph was taken. So now that you know what a geophoto is, let's look at a few ways in which you can create geophotographs. Now you can see three screenshots from the Apple iPhone. You notice here the iPhone has a camera application that can take photographs. Now under the settings tab, these location services are enabled within certain applications. Here you can see that the camera app or the location service turned on. What this means is that whenever you take a picture using the camera app has access to the GPS coordinates provided by the location services, and therefore it's able to pinpoint where the photograph is taken. And all this is possible because of the camera storing the GPS coordinate information within the photograph in the EXIF format that we talked about earlier. This is one way to create geophotos using smartphones. There are other ways to create geophotographs. One other way is to use a DSLR camera with a GPS module. You can also use specialized GPS cameras from vendors like Ricoh or Nikon and even Canon. And the price varies depending on the camera that you choose. So you can create geophotos using smartphones. You can create geophotos using a regular DSLR camera along with a GPS module. And you can create geophotos with integrated GPS modules within DSLR cameras such as Ricoh, Nikon, and Canon.